in Daniel 12, it says here that these things will happen. Look at Daniel chapter 12, verse 7. These things will happen for how long? Time, times, and half a time. So, binigyan niya siya ng limitation. 3.5 years only. He will prosper only for 3.5 years. So, what happened to this king? Let's look at Daniel chapter 7. Balik tayo sa 7. So, you will see when you study this, balik ka ng balik. Daniel was asking the angel what will happen. What about the fourth kingdom? And then the angel said, the fourth kingdom will devour the whole earth. Verse 23. And then, look at your statue. The fourth kingdom will devour the whole earth. And then Daniel chapter 7 verse 24 said, as for the 10 horns represented by the 10 toes, okay, out of this kingdom, out of the fourth kingdom. So it means that the fourth kingdom, including the 10 toes, representing the 10 kings, belong to one whole kingdom. What will happen to the 10 kingdom, the 10 toes? From out of them, then one king will arise. Look at verse 24. As for the 10 horns, out of this kingdom, 10 kings will arise, and another will rise after them. So, we have 10 kings, another one plus 10, and this one will subdue how many? 3 kings. So that would leave them 8 na lang sila. And the leader of this 8 is this one who subdued the 3 kings. Diba? Okay? You understand? Verse 27. Anong gagawin ng king na